Hello, year one, and welcome to your flipped classroom for science for this week. So last week we looked at materials, we looked at glass, we looked at plastic. Now this week we are going to be looking at the properties of those materials. So what makes those materials unique? What makes that material usable? So we're going to learn some new vocabulary words. So we're going to start with 3 tricky ones, okay? So the first word is transparent. Transparent. Well done. So transparent, this glass is transparent, which means that light can be shone through the glass and it will come out the other side. Or you can see through the glass. So that is what transparent means. It means that light can go through and that you can see through it. So my window that I have in my house or in our classroom, it is transparent. We can see through it. So that is what our first vocabulary word is, transparent. Now, the opposite of transparent is opaque. Opaque. So if transparent means we can see through it, opaque means we can't see through it. That's right. So my water bottle here, you can't see through it. If light can't be shone through my water bottle. So this water bottle is opaque. You can't see through it. Now, there's a third tricky one. And this one is translucent. Translucent. That's right. So translucent is a combination of transparent and opaque. So let me show you. I have my sunglasses here and they're made of plastic, but the lenses are translucent. So what it means is that you can see through it, you can have light shine through it, but it's not as easy as a glass, not as easy as transparent. So these would be translucent. Translucent. Well done. Now, I've got another object. I've got a ruler, and this ruler is made of plastic. You're right. And it is opaque because I can't see through it, so it's opaque. But also, don't do this at school, but my ruler is also bendy. So that's another word, bendy. That's right. So my ruler is bendy. Now, what's the opposite of bendy? So we could say, oh, it's not bendy. So my pencil is not bendy. But another word we could use is rigid. Rigid. Well done. So my pencil is rigid. It can't bend. Now, what else do I know about my pencil? Well done if you said it was made from wood. What else? What else is it? It is really smooth. Well done. We have the word smooth. Just like my ruler, it is smooth. So we have transparent, opaque, translucent. We have bendy. We have rigid. Now, the last couple we're going to look at is I've got this face mask, and it is made, what material is it made from? It's made from fabric, that's right. And how does it feel? How does it feel? That's right, your face mask or this fabric is soft. Soft, that's right. Now, what about this piece of Lego? So this Lego, it could be smooth, that's right. It is opaque, I can't see through it. But it's also quite hard. It's a hard piece of Lego. So we have the word hard. Now, the last word that we are going to look at is something that we talked about the very first lesson, and it was on our cold task, and that word is waterproof. Waterproof. That's right. Now, a lot of you got a little bit confused on what actually the word waterproof meant. Now, let's have a think. If it is raining and I don't want to get wet, what am I going to wear? I'm going to wear my raincoat. That's right. Not my summer coat that's made from fabric. I'm going to wear my raincoat. And a lot of raincoats are made from a type of material. Some are made from plastic, which is waterproof so that I don't get wet. If I put my raincoat on and I'm out in the rain and I take it off, am I all wet underneath? No. So my raincoat is waterproof. Now, also, I can have my umbrella. So if I have my umbrella and I'm walking in the rain, is the rain still pouring through the umbrella? No, that's right. My umbrella is waterproof. It means the water can't get through. So I have my raincoat and umbrella. Also, I want to go and splash in big puddles. What do I wear? That's right, I'd wear my wellies, and wellies are made from rubber, and rubber is waterproof. So when I take my wellies off, my socks aren't wet, are they? Unless I've done some big jumps. But our wellies are waterproof, so they protect our feet from the water. Another thing that's waterproof is my water bottle. I have two water bottles here, two bottles. This bottle is made of metal. And I can say that it is soft, or sorry, it is smooth, right? It is hard, it's rigid, it won't bend, and I can say that it is waterproof. So if I put water inside and I tighten the lid, is water going to start coming through it? No, that's right. So this would be waterproof. Same with this bottle. If I was to fill this bottle up with water, does the water start pouring through or start leaking through the plastic? No. So this is waterproof. So those are the vocabulary words we are going to be learning next week in science. So we're going to look at an object. We're going to look at this object. This is a glass. It's made from glass. So glass is the type of material. And I would then say, what are the properties of glass? So let's do that together. I can say it is transparent, it is hard, it is bendy. No, so it's rigid, it's not bendy. It is smooth, okay? So we're going to be using those words to describe different objects. So have a great weekend. Look around your house when you're touching things with your hands. So if you're touching your spoon for breakfast, think about, oh, this spoon is smooth. Oh, it's really shiny. Or when you're at bed, think about your blankets. Oh, this is fabric, they are soft. Because you wouldn't want to go to bed if your blankets were all rough, would you? No. So have a good weekend, and we look forward to seeing you next week using all of our science vocabulary. Bye.